Hey everyone, welcome to Easy Tech. In this video, I show you how you can show battery temperature on display of your phone. This is very easy. So let's just start. First, open Play Store and then search CPU monitor. Then open it CPU monitor temperature. Now tap on install. Please wait a moment. The software is installing. This is installed. And now tap on open. There are a lot of options. Now tap your settings icon and now scroll down and tap on floating window under the switch tab. Now scroll down. Now tap on battery temperature on off button. Now on it. You need to permission. The app need the permission. Tap on OK. Now here select CPU monitor. Allow display over other apps. Turn it on. That's it now. Back. Now again tap on turn on battery temperature. This is turned on. Here is your battery temperature. This is displayed over on your display. Now you can check your battery temperature from home screen of your phone. This is very easy. That's it for now. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.